Hi, this is Maria from Crochet A to Z and welcome to the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please push that subscribe button. And if you have, I want to thank you. I want to thank everyone for being here today. And today I want to show you this real pretty project, this real special project. And it is America, the Patriotic Wreath. And I want to show you just how easy this is to make. Beginners to advanced, everyone in between. When we get this started, you're going to love this pattern. You're going to love how the ease of this pattern. I just want to mention that I am using an H hook for this pattern. And this I used all red heart yarn. It's all red heart yarn. And the colors are really, really pretty. So I want to mention that it is the Red Hot Super Saver acrylic yarn. And again, I'm using an H hook. And you need a 12 plastic foam wreath. If you want to use 1.5 inch long T-pins, you can. And you want to also make sure that you have cherry red yarn, soft white yarn, and royal yarn, all again by Red Hot Super Saver. And it is a 4-weight yarn as well. So let's get started, why don't we? I also want to mention that for these stars, I used really pretty buttons, star buttons, and I got these on Amazon. I want to mention that as well. So you want to make sure that you have these on hand, your H hook, the 3 different color yarns, a scissors, the T-pins if you want to use T-pins to keep it in place. But I'm going to show you how to keep everything in place very easily without even having to use these. So again, let's get started. So I'm going to use for this tutorial the, again, Super Saver yarn, and this is soft white. You want to use a soft white yarn. What we're going to do is we're going to chain 21. And make sure you have the end here long enough, the tail, so that you can weave that in easily at the end. And I'm going to show you what I mean.